Presidential Communications Operations Office Secretary Sonny Coloma announced that President Aquino is willing to go to the provinces to make Filipinos understand the controversial disbursement acceleration program of his administration. Listen to this.
Siya po ay Pangulo ng lahat ng Pilipino at handa po siya makipagtalakayan sa ating mga mamamayan sa lahat ng rehiyon at sa lahat ng lalawigan. Magiging regular ito at sisikapin naming maganap ito sa paraan na makakatulong sa pagpapalawak ng dialogo.
Coloma also said the DAP and the pork barrel issues will surely be covered by these discussions since they're now on top of the national agenda. He adds that this will be important, especially in terms of their exposure in the media. In a rare televised speech last week, Aquino once again defended the DAP and claimed that the program has a constitutional basis.